Hi there, my name is James Duggan, and this is my project for the first assignment. It's a basic class attendance app where students can sign into a class, whether they're attending it in person or watching online, and that in turn will help with COVID tracing and so on. So as you can see on this home screen here, a student has the option to either create account or log in. So we'll go to create an account there now. So we'll just call it example student and give them a student number of 0123 and just password test. So let's just log in there, 0123 test. So now you see that we have our list of modules here. These modules are all populated from a JSON file, as are the users. When you create an account, it is saved onto a JSON file. So if you click into a module, it'll show the lectures associated with that module, and these are part of a list of lecture models within the module model. So if I just click into the Monday class here and say you get three options, whether you want to say that you are in attendance, which would be in person, watching live online, which would be watching a live broadcast, or watching a recording, which would be if you're watching later on in the week. So let's just say for the Monday class we're in attendance, and Tuesday we watched a recording. So now these sign-ins will then also be added to a JSON for persistence, and the lecturer will have access to these. So other things that the student can do in a student account is update their account. So if we go to my account and say we'll just update the name. So let a bunch of twos there. And yeah, and keep the student number 0123 and password as test again. Now this automatically logs us out and removes the intent, so that's how I've been managing the logout. So if I log in again as the student, and now I'll just sign into the Monday class again, just say we're watching live online, and now we'll just log out altogether, and now we'll log in as our admin. So yeah, so the module list is the same obviously, so we'll click in here, click into our lecture, and now you see the screen is different. So the lecturer can either add a notification, which I'll go through in a sec, or check attendance. So if we go to check attendance, a table shows up. As you can, if you look at the last two entries here for the Monday class, so example student signed in on Monday at 7:30, and then what I wanted to check was just to show that the student change of name went through. So if you can see at the very bottom, example 2222, student 3333 signed in then to the class watching live online at 1 minute or 31 minutes past 7. So let's just go back actually, and now we can say this lecture is cancelled and update notification. So now the this notification should be visible to all users. so that they know that the lecture is cancelled for this week. So if we just log out here and say log back in as example student, if we go in, you'll see, yeah, the notification is still there. So yeah, that's my app for the time being. I'm hoping to add a lot more to it that I didn't get around to this time around, such as just the nav drawer, and I also want to basically add that when a student says they're watching in person, that their location is logged, so that you know that they actually were in the building, and they're not telling a fib. And yeah, so that is my project. Thanks very much for watching.